guys, we are back to another YouTube channel, and today we're gonna see which type of slime is the best: Arctic slime, putty slime, or glitter slime. So let me get the slime. Okay, the slime is right here. Make sure to comment down below which slime is your favorite, guys. Hold up. This is the slime. We're going to be getting my mom. Let's see if she could help us, okay, guys? Okay, we are back.
Sure. What are we doing?
So, my mom says she could help us.
Okay.
Mom, say hi.
Hello.
So we're going to do, we have Arctic slime. We have Arctic slime, Starlight putty slime, and glitter slime, and Arctic slime. These slimes are brand new. I got them. And okay, let's go get started. Today we're gonna start with Starlight putty slime. It looks glitter. It could light up, by the way.
Ooh.
If you like bounce the ball, like, and then you put it in here. And then look, it
That's a pretty neat one.
lights up. Look, comment down below if this is your favorite. Sticky. Guys, you wanna know my favorite? It's the Arctic slime.
Why is that one your favorite?
It's my favorite because it's like watery, but it might spill. And here's the glitter slime. It makes my hand glittery every time I use it. I never used it before. It's my first time using it.
Ooh.
And hold up, say hi to my mom.
Hi.
My mom's gonna be testing out the Arctic slime for us.
Ah, I got the cold one.
Okay. So, if you want to see my video with me doing seashells, you may see it. Okay, comment down below what seashell your favorite. Then yeah.
Is it my turn to test that one?
could
Oh,
be-
that looks cold.
I might be selling merch, and my mom's gonna be like, she's gonna do like the slime now. Okay, let's camera to my mom.
Ooh, this feels very slimy. Oh. Okay.
Now I'm gonna try it.
I have to jump on this phone call. Hold on.
Okay, my mom, it will not be joining us anymore. So yeah, hold up. She's doing her work right now, guys.
Great. Okay, cool.
Look, slime. Oh, this is that Paw Patrol toy in the back.
Okay.
Or my baby
Perfect,
brother's
sounds good.
toys. Oh, and yeah. Oh no, guys, it's filled. Ah!
Oh, I know.
Boop, boop.
I won't take up too much time, but
Guys, check out this. Me and my mom might be doing a challenge inside the bathtub. out. Yeah. I have the iPhone 11, so. Oh my gosh. Well, that is going to close up the YouTube channel, guys. And make sure, don't forget to comment down below which slime is your favorite. I'm trying to get to 1,000 likes and 20 million subscribers. Bye guys, have a great day and peace out.